We are looking at 2% of a decline in this week, and the last 2 weeks have seen a decline come in by 7% for the gold prices, and nearly 11% of a slide in silver as well has been seen in last 2 weeks. Prathamesh Malia then joins us with the strategy. Prathamesh, hi. The last day of the week, what's your sense now, and what could we see in case of the metal space?
Morning, Manisha. In case of metals, although we have seen zinc year to date, it's been 80% high, lead also outperforming in the entire base metals pack. We see all the metals being positive, although we see a bit of profit booking in this counter. We expect this rally to continue, however, in the medium term. However, for investors in short term strategy, we are advising buy side in copper November contract at around 399 for stop loss 394 for target towards 403, 405. In case of other metals like zinc, we are also advising a long side strategy in this counter, and we expect this volatility to continue and positive momentum ahead for zinc as well.
Prathamesh, also since we are just a week away from that November 30th Vienna meeting, a meeting that markets really have been waiting for 2 months now, what is your sense and how are you trading this sector now?
In this OPEC meeting, although many of the OPEC members are in consensus that they will take an output cut, the possible surprise in the entire thing is the Iraq, which has suddenly agreed for an output cut, which it was resistance 15 days back. So in that case, we see some real surprise from OPEC nations, especially Iraq. Although Iran still is resistance about taking an output cut, we do see that some knee-jerk reaction would definitely come out of this. And if it possibly breaks $50 mark on the counter, we would see momentum higher towards 53, 54. In case of strategy, we are advising buy side in this counter at around December contract 3230 is the buying mark for stop loss 3180 for target towards 3330.
Okay, all right, Manisha. Thanks very much for bringing us all of those strategies. We're going to take a break now, but up next we'll get chatting with Mahesh Vyas.